Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Got a new product from WULOO. It's the hands-free intercom system, wireless for your home or business. This intercom system is new upgraded version which uses the new technology. It's a true full duplex system. It's hand-free use and easy to use, and especially for senior citizens because of the larger display and large buttons. The new upgraded intercom system has a better voice quality, as you'll see in the reviews. It has longer signal range, up to 1 mile. That's incredible. This powerful intercom system, as you can see, is compact. It's only 6.5 inches wide by only 1.5 inches thick. That's a super small size for such compact power. This intercom system is expandable. You can add up to 10 intercom units to one single system. That's perfect for a home or a business in use. Really cool feature on this, it has 10 different types of chimes available. And the volume of the chimes and the call volume all can be adjusted by easy touch of a button. You can pick up this wireless full duplex intercom system, the pack of 2, on Amazon for $69.99, and I will leave that link down below for easy access. Pretty darn good deal for such a powerful little unit. Okay, so let's take a look at the open boxing and the hands-on review. Alright. Let's open up the box, see what comes inside. Alright, first thing we see is the instruction manual. It's very complete, gives all examples of how to use your wireless intercom. Next we have the quick start reference guide. It basically gives you all the do's and don'ts to do with your wireless intercom system. Alright, it comes with 2 boxes inside. And we'll open up one. Now they're both identical, so there's 2 wireless intercom systems in this package, so we'll take a look at one. We don't need to open up the other one right away. You can see the power cords first. It's a USB power cord. It's about 6 feet long, and it also comes with a brick, so that's really nice. Alright, taking the wrap off the wireless intercom, you can see here in my hands how small and compact it is, yet the display is large and the buttons are large. It has a nice ergonomic design to it. On top it has a 4-inch Wi-Fi antenna. Gets you out to that mile range. To the right of the antenna you have your power input. And looking at the back of the wireless intercom system, you have 2 mounting options here. You can have it sit on a desk, and you can see the 4 rubberized anti-slip pads in the corners. And also in the center you can see there's 2 holes for anchoring the wireless intercom on the wall. And opening up the second box, you can see the 2 intercoms are identical. One set to channel 1, the other set to channel 2. Quickly, I'd like to give you the weight on the intercom, and you can see here it is 6.8 ounces. Very light. Okay, let's get to the hands-on review and see how these intercoms work.
Hello, I got this new intercom, and I'm going to turn the power button on. And I'm in my bedroom. We're going to power it up. I'm on channel 1, and I'm going to be calling Captain Mark on channel 2 and see how this thing works out. So all you got to do is just push channel 2 and give him a call. See how it works out. It's calling Captain Mark.
Hello, this is Captain Mark. How can I help you?
Captain, this is Mr. Vic.
Hey, Mr. Vic, you sound loud and clear. Boy, that sounds really, really good.
Yeah, you sounded pretty clear.
Explain to the folks how to make a phone call on the intercom?
Well, I got you on channel 2. You know I'm on channel 1.
Pretty easy to figure out, isn't it?
Pretty slick, pretty slick.
Okay, let's try another location.
All right, what do you think? The garage, maybe?
That would be great. That's a long ways away from here, so perfect.
All right, I'll disconnect you. Real simple. And he's already disconnected. All I do is turn the power off, and we'll turn the whole device off. We'll move it to the garage.
Alright, we switched locations, and Vic is out in his garage, which is in a remote location. It's not an attached, it's a detached garage.
This is Mr. Vic. As you can see, this is the power button. I've already turned it on, and it's on channel 1. and I'm waiting on a call from the captain at any time now.
I'm going to turn it on and get it ready for him. I'm going to be making the call this time. You simply hold down on the power button for 3 seconds and it turns the unit on. And here you can see that I am on unit number 2 and he's on unit number 1. Now I'm going to make the call to him simply by pressing intercom number 1, which we only have 2 intercoms here to use. Otherwise we do the group call. And I push the OK or call button. And it's ringing here.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Vic. This is Captain Mark.
How are you, Captain Mark?
I'm doing good. So this sounds pretty good. It's going all the way out to your remote garage. I know it's cool because it's detached from your house and it's getting a pretty good signal out there.
That's awesome. Can you hear me good?
Yeah, I hear you really good. So no problem there. Okay, so great. This thing works quite a distance on the range there. Can't beat that. So, okay. Thanks for helping me on this video, Vic. This intercom system works really well.
You sound pretty good on my end. I can understand you very well. I'll talk to you later, Captain.
Bye now.
Okay, he's offline, and I'm going to turn the unit off by just powering the off button.
Like I said, folks, this is a great intercom system. Works perfect, gets the job done. You can use it in remote locations. Perfect for like at a poolside. You want to talk to somebody in the house or and you're out in the pole barn. Boy, this would be great out there. Call the missus or kids, let them know, hit the intercom call on that. You can't beat it. It's pretty loud incoming calls. So, but anyways, hope you liked the video. Great product, and I got a lot more videos coming at you. So I will see you on my next videos.